Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 2, Lesson 17, the last lesson of the chapter. We've met objects, now we meet the words that complete them, and the words that complete the subject, complements. We've met objects, now we meet the words that complete them. An object complement is a noun, pronoun, or adjective that follows a direct object and either renames it or describes it. Look. Paul elected himself president. Himself is the direct object, and president is the object complement. It renames himself, telling us what he was elected to be. So an object complement completes the meaning of the direct object. That object complement can take three forms. It can be a noun. Paul elected himself president. President is a noun. It can be a pronoun. Paul calls the car his. His is a pronoun. Or it can be an adjective. Paul found the computer useful. Useful is an adjective. Nouns and pronouns rename the direct object. Adjectives describe it. Either way, it's an object complement. Now switch from action verbs to linking verbs. A subject complement follows a linking verb and tells us about the subject. Montana is a state. Is the linking verb, and a state is the subject complement, telling us what Montana is. Remember from our linking verb lesson, the verb acts like an equal sign. Montana equals a state. So a subject complement always follows a linking verb and points right back to the subject. Subject complements come in two kinds. A predicate nominative is a noun or pronoun that renames the subject. Montana is a state. State renames Montana. They're the same thing. A predicate adjective is an adjective that describes the subject. The issue seems unimportant. Unimportant describes the issue. So the test is simple. If the complement renames the subject, it's a predicate nominative. If it describes the subject, it's a predicate adjective. These two complements look similar, so here's how to keep them straight. Just check the verb. If there's an action verb with a direct object, any complement after it is an object complement. Paul found the computer useful. Found is an action verb. Computer is the object. Useful is the object complement. But if there's a linking verb, the complement is a subject complement. The computer is useful. Is linking, so useful is now a subject complement, a predicate adjective. Same word, useful, but the verb decides which complement it is. Here's a refined point the test sometimes checks. A predicate nominative renames the subject, so it takes the subject form of a pronoun, not the object form. Formally, we say, it is I, and the winner is she, not it is me, or the winner is her. Now, in casual speech, almost everyone says it's me, and that's perfectly fine in conversation. But on a grammar test, after a linking verb, reach for the subject pronoun, I, he, she, we, or they. Let's put it together. Marie Curie is a hero to many young scientists. The verb is, a linking verb, so we have a subject complement. And hero is a noun that renames the subject, Marie Curie, she is a hero. A noun renaming the subject after a linking verb, that's a predicate nominative. Check the verb, then check what the complement does, and you'll always name it right. Let's practice. Each object complement follows a direct object. Decide whether it's a noun, a pronoun, or an adjective. Pause and try before I answer. Carl finds the study of astronomy fascinating. The complement, fascinating, describes the direct object, study, so it's an adjective. My sister considers my clothes hers. The complement, hers, renames the direct object, clothes, and hers is a possessive pronoun, so it's a pronoun. Mi-Ling made herself chairperson. The complement, chairperson, renames the direct object, herself, and chairperson is a noun, so it's a noun. Now the subject complements. After each linking verb, decide whether the complement renames the subject, a predicate nominative, or describes it, a predicate adjective. Pause and try each. Debussy's music sounds dreamy. Sounds is linking, and dreamy describes the subject, music. So it's a predicate adjective. The seats in our new car are tan leather. Are is linking, and leather is a noun that renames the subject, seats. So it's a predicate nominative. The sizzling bacon smelled delicious. Smelled is linking here, and delicious describes the subject, bacon. So it's a predicate adjective. Let's bring it together. An object complement follows a direct object and renames or describes it. It can be a noun, pronoun, or adjective. A subject complement follows a linking verb, and it's either a predicate nominative, a noun or pronoun that renames the subject, or a predicate adjective, which describes it. To tell the complements apart, just check the verb. An action verb gives an object complement. A linking verb gives a subject complement. That completes Chapter 2. Wonderful work. In Lesson 18, we begin Chapter 3 with prepositional phrases.